Hello and welcome back. Paulie here, and I've got a great recipe. Alright, we're going to start prepping our cauliflower here. So we're going to go in with some olive oil, like so. We're going to get it all on each side. May need a little more, but we can just put it right on the sheet pan, that's fine. Like so. But we're just going to move these around, these halves, these slices around, and get them well coated on each side. Now that we've got them on coated on both sides, I've got some seasoning here. We're going to go on both sides generously. This is like a taco seasoning. You can use whatever your favorite seasoning is, but I'm just using a mix that I've got that my sister got me. But yeah, just flip them over like so and do the other side. I've got my skillet here preheated. So what we're going to do is we're going to sear off each side in a skillet here before we put it in our oven. So you're just going to go in like so. Do it for about a minute each side, maybe a little longer. Okay, you can see we got it searing away there. Flip it over to the other side. That pepper's choking me. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish searing off each of these pieces, and then we'll transfer them to the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. On I've got it on high, about 450. Alright, as you can see, after we get some charring on there, we're going to go ahead and put them in the oven. Transfer them to the oven, and we'll let them bake, finish roasting in there. And we'll do our topping and addition to our veggie addition to our tacos, fajitas, burrito, whatever you want to call it, whatever you want to do. Okay, while our cauliflower is roasting in the oven, we'll get our next items going here. We've got some mushrooms. I got a skillet going, so we'll go ahead and we'll get some olive oil in our skillet here, about a tablespoon or so to get us started. If we need more, we can use more. Get those mushrooms stirred in there and get them started cooking. Alright, our mushrooms have been going for about 3 minutes or so. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in some of our red onion here and get that started. And at that point I'm going to add some more of our taco or Mexican type seasoning. And we'll give this all a stir and let the onions cook for a couple minutes or so until they get cooked through a little bit there. So we'll be right back. Okay, as you can see, our mushroom and onion there are cooking nicely. Looking and smelling great. So I'm going to go in with some cloves of sliced garlic, thinly sliced. Get those stirred in. Just let those go for about a minute. And then we'll start adding the rest of our peppers here. I've got red and green bell pepper, and I've got some thinly sliced jalapeno I'm going to put in there. The jalapeno is obviously optional if you don't like the heat. Alright, time to add our peppers. Jalapeno. And I'm going to add a little more seasoning since we added more ingredients. Like so. Get it all mixed in. Gorgeous looking colors, flavors, smells. You know it's going to be good. Alright, while our peppers, mushrooms, and onions and garlic are still cooking up here, I went ahead and pulled our roasted cauliflower because that's good to go. And way to check that is a knife goes through it nice and easy at all points. So you know it's ready to go. Gorgeous, nice charring and flavors going on there. So let's finish up, get the finishing touches going here with our peppers. As soon as they cook down a little bit, we'll be ready to finish this mixture off. Alright, at this point, I'm going to make a little spot here in the center and go in with some vegetable stock and some tomato paste. Like so. Get that mixed in there, and then we can incorporate it with the rest of our veg. So just mix it well, and we'll let it cook down some more. So we'll be right back. Alright, right at the end of our veg mixture cooking down here, I go in with some unsalted butter. Turn off my heat and get that incorporated in there to finish off our mixture, our veg mixture. And once you have that, you have a gorgeous veg mixture and like a sauce in there as well. So once we get that all well incorporated, we can set this off to the side. I'm going to put a lid on it like so and just set it back, and we'll get ready to finish plating up here. Alright, so what I've got here is a comal, and it's heated up really hot. So we just go in with like some corn tortillas like so. Corn tortilla. Let's do a couple of those. I have flour also. For this demonstration I'll just do corn, but when it's really hot you let it go for a few seconds on each side. You can flip it over, get some browning on there if you like. Just see what I'm talking about. Get it warmed up. Like I said, there's smoke coming off of this, so you know it's screaming hot as far as the comal is. Got some good nice charring going on there just a little bit. Anyway, they get heated up there nicely, and then we can set them off in here in a towel to stay warm until we get ready to put some of our mixture in there for our cauliflower tacos, fajitas, burritos, whatever you want to do. All right, so we got some gorgeous cilantro on there, and we can get some of our mixture here. Mushrooms, peppers, onions, some garlic, jalapeno. Good stuff. Smells really good in here. Like so. Get some of that. Get some of our roasted cauliflower. Get some of that in there. Get it all nice and neat looking for presentation. And also like a little Greek yogurt is good. So like a dollop of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is good. And we've got some avocado here. And just put some on there to go with it. Like so. 'Cause who doesn't love a little avocado too, right? And like I say, you can load it up or not. It's all up to you. But it looks pretty, right? So anyway, there you have it. Roasted cauliflower tacos. And nice veg mixture. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching, and Feliz Cinco de Mayo.